I am so far from perfect. I say stupid things sometimes. I laugh when I shouldn't, and I have scars from the people who left me behind. I'm a little crazy, and I'll probably never change. But I will say one thing, that if I love you, I do it with everything that I have. And that's gotta count for something.
Enjoy every moment you have, because in life, there are no rewinds, only flashbacks. Make sure it's all worth it.
Alam mo, kapag tumatanda na pala tayo, mas priority na natin yung paano maging masaya. Marirealize mo na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay kapag masaya ka. Hindi mo kailangan makipagtalo sa mga taong walang bilib sa'yo, as long as nag-enjoy ka naman sa ginagawa mo.